try the char siu something. Oh, hindi ko familiar silang menu, so the-paste ko silang pictures on Sardiran. And the little boy wants something baboy, so let's see. Okay, nice. Sumo ka lang mga baboy dyan. Muha is
may sarpuan taupan ng seafood.
Uy, lamig lagi na tanaw.
Noodles na parang patchoy.
Patchoy. Alright, try tayo na pala. Yun na be. And kinda hangin in front of me. I don't know if you can hear me, but nagpatuba may electric fan because so hot, but love it. I also ordered sugarcane juice. I don't know if lamig niyo siya. Never a fan of sugarcane, but medyo also siya din yung sugarcane. Makikita mo po kanang machine nga i-press ang sugarcane. So I think it's quite famous. Lamig na yung sugarcane. Nice. Mo din ay lamig sa sugarcane. Tilaw ka. Wait lang. Let's try Japanese food. Paano siya? Murag chow fan nga seafood. Oh my god, lamig. Uy, in fairness, Dili siya lamig o gitsura actually, no? Kabangti ko silang food, dili siya inana, nindot ka, dili siya appealing, dili siya presentable, but in fairness, lamig siya. And this one is noodles. Unsa ni siya katong bao zhao mian? Bao zhao mian. This is for $4 for SGD, and then kani siya is $6.50 SGD. And then sugarcane juice is $2.50. Dili joke ang presyo dire. Pero in fairness, lamig siya. Diba din na nga on actually. Okay, let's try this. Kaya mo siya bad choice na to Let's try the noodles. Very nakaga low cost ramen. Okay. Good. Yeah, we're going.